Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change the language in the Line app on your phone. If you ever wanted to use Line in a different language, this tutorial will make it easy to switch to the language you prefer. First, open the Line app on your phone. Next, tap on the settings icon located at the top right. Then, from the menu, select the language option to see the list of available languages. After that, scroll through the list and choose the language you want to use. Finally, tap on the Save button at the top right corner to apply your new language settings. By following these steps, you can quickly switch Line to any language you prefer, making the app easier to use and more personalized. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and share it with your friends. Your support helps us bring more useful tutorials like this one.